Injabulo kuyiqembu le-Orlando Pirates ibhakabhaka ezikaMagebhula ezagebhula umhlaba wamasipala ngenkani ibhakajuju ngesikhathi linqoba emidlalweni walo liphinde liqualifya. Mbukele lethu kuhlendlela TV sikwamukele futhi. Kanti bezihamba phambili zithi lokhu ichachame njalo injabulo kubalandeli naseqembini le-Orlando Pirates ibhakabhaka emveni kokuba linqobe emidlalweni walo bunamuhla lapho khona liguqise khona Amazulu Fc ngamaGoal 4-0. Emidlalweni obubanjelwe endaweni yaseMabhida Stadium eThekwini, lokho kwenze iqembu le-Orlando Pirates kwalibeka semethubeni lokuba liqualifyele ukuba lodlala kwi-CAF. Nokulethe enkulu intokozo kubalandeli bebhola nakubalandeli be-Orlando Pirates ukubona iqembu labo liphumelela noma libange elinye lamaqembu elizoqhudelana kwi-CAF.
Even able to throw a 16-year-old in there to win. Saleng was his usual punchy self.
Yeah, you know, Maktiwa muhlangana nenyoka efile ungazama ukuthi intuthu ethiwayivisa shayisa gila kakhulu ife kakhulu because mayingaphaphama lapha izokuluma. You understand?
Yeah.
So Amazulu have not had a great run of matches. The last time they won in April against iquqisa, and before that it was in March.
Yes.
And that was it. The other times it's just been losses for them, and you can see the demeanor in how they are playing. The chopping and changing as well.
Exactly.
They are lucky they were not down there fighting for relegation because the same thing could have happened to them. But to congratulate the Orlando Pirates to say they did not rely on anybody to do them a favor to get into second spot. Tactically, they are aware, they were not naive. They played from deep in their own half. When they win the ball, they go forward. And speed abadlala ngaso dog, you were commending it.
Definitely. I mean, because going forward, you could see the change of speed, change of direction and all that. And look at Salem. He would have probably but he saw a need of
still fighting,
cutting it back. And this is the team that is fighting. This is the team that most of the players are saying, coach, we want to be in the second position. We want to give you a problem for selecting a team that will start in the finals. This young man there, look, I don't know how and why, and I've asked luckily I've always asked, why is Saleng so versatile when it's not a derby? But when it's a derby, he is like in a bottle. You know, and this is the game, man.
Big match temperament.
Now, this is a player.
Sundowns,
we understand.
Kwanzaa will say Sundowns was the same. He didn't show up.
Mina, I would say
I don't know
for
why.
me, it doesn't matter, dog. When it's 2 matches, he's not present. Then for the rest 28 matches, he's present. Which one do you want? Do you want him to be good in only 2 matches?
Yes,
I understand what you're saying because it's one of the biggest games. But this is what I always say. When people say, Mamelodi Sundowns, FIFA fair play and all of that, you need to beat everyone else that you play against. Then now lose against the best, it's okay.
It's okay, yeah.
So if you lose against everybody, then it's a challenge, which is the mentality of Pirates to say, we are going to win against anyone and everyone. Even Sundowns, if we struggle to win against them, we'll still play our best type of football.
Yeah.
They lost in the derby, but look where they are right now.
They're on second spot. And I mean, for a team that is going for...
Ukele lethu kuhlendlela TV izona lezo besikuphathele zona. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe asiphinde sikuphathele ezinye.